Pugsley here from Pug Army, back with another tutorial series. We're going to be doing moomoo.io, and this is part 1. I'm going to do green. If you want to load. Okay, there. We're going to do that. Willow, shut up. We're going to create a new sprite. Shut up. Come on! Turn the air conditioner on.
No.
Yes! Before I tell Grandpa.
Papa doesn't want it.
Yeah, he does! I'm not stupid. Create any kind of tree.
Just gonna turn it on because of you.
Willow, I wouldn't say that if I were you because you're the stupid loser.
What?
Yeah, that's right. Talk to me again like that.
What are you saying?
Oh, you know what I'm saying.
I said something like.
You're talking to me now. Shut up. Shut up.
I said sticky.
Shut up. Okay, we're gonna go to script if this goddamn thing will load. When this is clicked, we're gonna repeat random 1 through 10 times. No, what? 1 through 5 times. Create clone of sprite 1. We're gonna rename that to tree. And we're also gonna hide this. And I start as clone. Show. Go to front. Do that like 2 times. And then we're going to motion. Go to random. Negative 240 through 240. Duplicate this. And we're gonna go
Mom, I'm coming down.
7 times. Let's try that.
Mom, I'm coming.
Okay, now we gotta do negative 180
What?
through 180.
What? The same food? I'm not gonna stand.
5. Okay, so we got that script done, and then when I start as clone again,
The same food.
forever. we're gonna do if touching. Hold on. Oh my god, if this thing would load, I would be so much happy. What? What am I even saying? I would be so happy. But no, it doesn't. And we're gonna create the script for the character. This is so hard. There we go. You can put any color. I'm just gonna do the default. Jurassic World was an amazing movie. We're gonna do one weapon today, and that's gonna be the. Oh, I gotta go get my charger, so I'll pause this and be right back. Okay, sorry about that. I had to go get my charger because it was low. We're gonna continue making the thing. Make sure it's on this side. We're gonna convert to vector just because it's gonna be easier. And we're gonna make the arms thicker. Oh god. We're gonna do that. I don't know. We're gonna do this. We're gonna put that to 0. I'll be right back. Okay, so you're gonna want to put down 4 of these if then statements, and you're gonna do touching. Oh, sorry, touch key up arrow. You can do it and or up and or sorry or. But I'm just gonna do this. Left. Oh, and we're gonna do another if. And this one's gonna be if. Key space or mouse down. So you're gonna get a statement saying or. Make sure it's an or. If you do and, then it's going to mess it up. If keys or is that, we're gonna repeat. We're gonna try 10 out, and then we're gonna turn. Turn 5, and then we're gonna do another repeat statement and put in the opposite way. Okay, hold on, I did this wrong. We're gonna do 10. 10. My dog's so cute. Sure, we can do that. We're gonna make this an if else. Then we're gonna repeat. And then we're gonna put in point towards mouse.
Hey guys, look it, it's cool.
And now we got that done. We're gonna go ahead and go here. Jake, you're making this so uncomfortable for me. The dog, by the way. We're going to change X by 5. Change X by... Stop! Jesus! And then we're gonna do the same with the Y. Oh, wait. Set Y... No. What? What am I doing? Change X by 5. Change... Work. This is all messed up. I said this one. Turn this off. That's stupid. Come on! I can't do this! Negative or 5. And then duplicate this and put it here. Negative 5. Oh, wait, hold on. We gotta flip it. And we're going to... Yeah, there we go. And we're gonna work on this in the next one. So that's it for this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, share for more. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial.